Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic water pump. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather all necessary tools, including wrenches, a drain pan, and a new water pump with its gasket. Locate the water pump on the engine, usually near the timing belt or serpentine belt system. This preparation is key for a smooth replacement process. Next, you'll need to drain the engine coolant. Place a large drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain cock. Once the system is empty, remove any belts, covers, or other parts that block your access to the water pump. Gently disconnect all hoses connected to the pump, being mindful of any remaining coolant. Now, unbolt the old water pump from its mounting points and carefully remove it. Take time to thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface, ensuring it is free of old gasket material or corrosion. This step is crucial for preventing leaks. Install the new water pump, making sure to use a fresh gasket for a proper seal, and tighten all bolts to specification. Finally, reconnect all hoses and ensure every bolt is securely tightened. Refill your cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, slowly adding it to prevent air pockets. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed air from the system. Monitor the temperature gauge and carefully check for any leaks around the new water pump installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.